Hey, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses, and today we're going to show you how to build a retaining wall. All right, well, I'm working with my nephew Caleb today, who's Dave's son, and these are the retaining wall blocks that we're using, and they're really awesome. The secret of the whole thing is just right here. It's got this little lip on it, and so one fits into the other one, as Caleb's going to demonstrate.
Yeah, so this lip goes on the bottom, and when you're stacking these, you would first lay your row, and then when you lay the row on top of it, you put this little lip kind of behind it, and then just slide it forward until it rests up. This does a couple things. Your wall tilts back toward the earth that it's holding up, and at the same time the weight of these pavers keep them from pulling forward or moving when all the earth's pressing against it.
Some of these don't have this lip, and the soil can actually push out between the blocks, but because it's got this little lip on it, it prevents that from happening. So these are really great. And this is a wall that we did just last week. It turned out pretty nice. The other probably key to it is that we've dug down here. There's a couple of rows there that you can't even see, that they're buried down in the earth. That would prevent the soil from just coming underneath there. And so now we're ready to build our retaining wall all around both the ponds, and then we also, over there where Avi is, wanted to add a little seating area for just 2 chairs and a small table. And so right now we're just digging the footer for our retaining wall. All right, we've been digging a while, and we've got a nice trench here. So we're gonna put some river rock down, and then we'll put our first row of the retaining blocks. All right, we've put our gravel base down, somewhere 4 to 6 inches of that. And now we're getting ready to put down our first row. After we put them down in the gravel, we're trying to level it out because we want this whole first row to be level as we build on top of it. All right, so there's our first course. As we're getting the second course on there, these particular pavers we have are really cool because they've got this little locking lip that runs along the bottom, all along there. And so that just simply goes behind the one that's on the bottom, and the whole wall locks together with that. All right, so as we're building the base of our wall up, we're backfilling it because we need to get the soil in front of the base and behind the base, get it all packed in there. See, by spending a lot of time on that first layer, as we build higher, you can see how nice and level that is. So it's pretty much all the big works on that first row. And it's just a matter of stacking and deciding how high you want to make your wall. So our goal here is to support these 2 very large ponds. So we've got a little bit of stacking still to go. All right, at this point, this wall is actually a little bit dangerous because it's all leaning back, and we're backfilling it and filling it all up with dirt so it'll have plenty of support. And as soon as it's backfilled, it'll be rock solid. And it's cool just because the weight of these retaining blocks themselves actually lock it into place. So now we're making some pretty good progress on this project. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comment section below, and we'll reply to those as soon as we can. Also, if you're getting anything out of this video, if you could hit the like button, that helps out our channel. Thanks for doing that. So as we're going up on this wall, we're getting our fill dirt, and we're filling it in on the inside. And our goal here was to get it pretty close to the level of the 2 ponds. All right, so our retaining wall project is completed, and as you can see, it's not too difficult. It requires a little bit of effort, And we hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and also check out this video.